welcome to this step-by-step guide for setting up Acumatica ERP development environment on an ARM-based Mac, and it will work for all M-series Apple machines. In this tutorial, you will learn how to prepare your system, install all required software, and configure Acumatica ERP for development. During this tutorial, we will cover the steps you see on the screen. There are several ways to run Windows on your ARM-based Mac. In this tutorial, we will use UTM, a free and open source virtualization tool. If you prefer, you can use Parallels Desktop or VMware Fusion instead. These options work just as well. For Parallels Desktop and VMware Fusion users, you can skip ahead to the section on enabling IIS feature in Windows 11 and continue from there. Visit the official Microsoft website to download the Windows 11 ISO specifically for ARM64 devices. This step is crucial as only the ARM64 version is compatible with M-series Macs. Be careful not to select x64 version or the installation assistant. Ensure you're downloading the ISO file. I will provide the direct link in the video description. Open your web browser and navigate to the official UTM website. Click the download button to get your latest version of UTM for Mac. After the download finishes, open the downloaded file and drag the UTM app into your Applications folder. Launch UTM from your Applications folder to begin the setup process. Launch UTM and click the plus button to start creating a new virtual machine. Choose Virtualize and select Windows as operating system. Set the memory allocation to at least 4 GB. For optimal performance, I recommend increasing it to 8 GB. Click Browse to select the Windows 11 ISO file you downloaded earlier. Ensure the Install Spice Tools option is checked. We will install these tools after Windows is set up. Adjust the disk size to 128 GB to accommodate the installation of Acumatica ERP and SQL Server. Click Save to create your virtual machine. Start your virtual machine by clicking Play button. As soon as it begins booting, press the spacebar or Enter key repeatedly before you see that Windows is booting. This ensures the Windows installer launches from the ISO file. It's weird that it has a very short time frame for it. So if you miss this step, the VM might get stuck on the UTM logo screen. When the Windows installation screen appears, follow the prompts to set your language, time, and keyboard preferences. If asked for product key, I selected that I don't have a product key since this video for educational purposes. After Windows finishes installing and you set up your user account, install the guest tools when prompted. This improves performance and enables features like clipboard sharing and better display resolution. If you're not prompted automatically after Windows boot, you can install guest tools manually. I will include a link in the video description with instructions. Once guest tools are installed, restart your virtual machine to apply the changes. Open the Start menu and search for Turn Windows Features on or off, then select it from the results. Alternatively, you can access this option through the Control panel. In the Windows Features dialog, scroll down and check the box for Internet Information Services. Expand the options to ensure that Web Management Tools and World Wide Web Services are selected. Under World Wide Web Services, select Application Development Features, enable all relevant components such as .NET Extensibility and ASP.NET, etc. These features are required for Acumatica ERP to function properly. Click OK to apply the changes. Windows will install the selected features, which may take a few minutes depending on your system. After the installation is complete, you can also verify that IIS is running by opening a web browser and just navigating to localhost. Open your browser and navigate to the official Microsoft SQL Server download page. The link will be provided in the video description. Download the SQL Server 2025 Release Candidate 1 installer. We are using 25 RC1 version because it supports ARM architecture. For this tutorial, I recommend selecting a basic option. Accept the license terms and click Install to begin the installation process. After the installation finishes, you can proceed to download and install Acumatica ERP 25 R2. Open the Acumatica Builds S3 bucket and locate the version of Acumatica ERP you want to install. Here we will use 25R2. The link to the S3 bucket will be provided in the video description. Download the Acumatica ERP installer for your selected version. After the download completes, launch the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation process. When prompted, choose to install all components, including Report Designer, to ensure you have the full development environment. Continue through the installation prompts until setup is finished. Once installation is complete, you are ready to proceed with creating a new Acumatica ERP instance using T100 data following the same steps as outlined in the Acumatica University course or official documentation. Open the Start menu and search for Acumatica configuration. Launch the application. In the Acumatica configuration window, click Create New Instance. Enter the required details, ensuring that you select T100 data option, and follow the prompts to complete the instance creation process. Once the new instance is created, start it from the Acumatica configuration window, or you can open your browser and navigate to localhost and followed by your instance name. Please note that the initial step may take several minutes. Log in using the default credentials, that is admin and setup as password. You will be prompted to change the password on first login, complete this step, and sign in. The logging process may take some time during the first use. After logging in, verify the environment is functioning correctly. You can open some screens such as sales orders and customers. Confirm that T100 sample data has been loaded successfully. Open your web browser and navigate to official Visual Studio download page. The link will be provided in the video description. Download the Visual Studio 2022 installer and launch it once the download is complete. Follow the instruction prompts, selecting only ASP.NET and maybe web development with Node.js, but for now you can follow just with ASP.NET. After installation, start Visual Studio 22 as administrator. When prompted, skip opening a project to begin with an empty environment. From the menu, select File, Open, Website, and browse to the Acumatica ERP website directory hosted in IIS. By following those steps, you should have successfully set up Acumatica development environment on your ARM-based machine. You can now continue working with Acumatica, or you can take Acumatica University course. If you encounter any issues during the setup process or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below, and I will do my best to get back to you.